Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to enable and disable call screening on your iPhone iOS 26. Okay, the first thing that you should do is to simply make sure that you have the iOS 26 update on your phone. And now once you have it, you will now have to go and open the settings. Then you should scroll down till you find the apps section. And now once you go to apps, you need to scroll down till you find here this option, phone. Click on it. And now once you click on it, you will need to scroll down more till you find here this option, calls from unknown numbers and screen incoming calls. Just toggle this on. And once you toggle this on, whenever someone that his number is unsaved on your phone calls you, the iPhone will reply on the call automatically, quietly, and the caller will tell him exactly what is his name and why he's calling, and this will be displayed on your iPhone as text. After that, you can choose between to accept the call and reply on the caller, or simply stop and you do not want to answer the call. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.